Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your bank account over to your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you guys didn't want to integrate an online payment method that involved credit cards or payment gateways that use platforms like Apple Pay or Payoneer or Google Pay or whatever, and you want to simply get your money via bank deposit. So that way is actually very possible. And the first thing you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have your Shopify app open as an administrator, like I have here. And then you want to click on settings, like so. And from here, you guys would want to look for the payments tab that's found on the left-hand side of the screen. So it's this one here between checkout and users and permissions. So we're simply going to click on it, like so. And right below the payment capture method, there should be an option that says manual payment methods. So from here, you want to simply click on that. And right away, you'll see that there's an option to say that says bank deposit. So here, you will add additional details that pertain to your bank account, like something like the name of the bank, the address, how you want your customers to pay and whatnot, as well as and this is very important, as well as the instructions. So the instructions should contain all of the relevant information for them to make the transfer. So this is info about your account number, the bank address, and so on, as well as the amount that you want to transfer. So once you guys have all of that going, simply want to click on activate bank deposit, and you guys are done. Now, if you want to add more elaborate steps to your bank deposit method, you simply want to click on edit, like so. And here you can manually configure the details that you want to include to add to your bank deposit. So this way, whenever someone tries to check out a product from your store, they would be shown this window, and once their payment comes through, you guys should be able to receive the money, and they will get your product. So yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.